Hello, my dear students and viewers. Welcome to my channel, Scorpio Class. If you're looking for Class 10 Social Studies notes of revised syllabus, then you're on the right platform and watching the right video. As in this video, we are going to discuss Class 10 Business Studies chapter, Consumer Education and Protections, question and answers. This video is going to provide you all the question and answers from this chapter, and it's going to be very helpful and informative for you all. So stay tuned till end and do not miss any part of it. And my dear viewers, if you also want all the other lessons notes of class 10 social studies and of English subject, you can visit the description box and find the playlist link where you'll find all the videos with the notes. The link will also be shared in the I button above. Now let's get started, but before that, if you are new to my channel and watching my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all the upcoming videos. Now let's get quickly started with the first way, that is fill in the blanks. The first one. The other name of the consumer is dash. Answer is user. Next. Person giving goods or services for money is called dash. Answer is provider. Next. The consumer day is observed on dash every year. Answer is March 15th. Next, in the case of compensation exceeding 5 lakhs, the complaint has to be submitted to the dash. Answer is District Forum. So these were the fill in the blanks. Now let's move to question and answers. We have answered in one sentence. So first question is, who is called a consumer? Answer, consumer is a person who buys goods or hires or avails services for a consideration called price or wages. Next question. What is the main aim of consumer movement? Answer. The main aims of consumer movement are to avoid the exploitation by the traders, to pressure on the government and alert it to formulate new acts. Next, what is the right of every consumer? Answer, it is the right of every consumer to get quality goods and services. Next question, when did Consumer Protection Act come into force in India? Answer, Consumer Protection Act came into force in 1986. Next one. Who appoints the president of the District Consumer Forum? Answer. The state government appoints the president of the District Consumer Forum. Now let's continue with the next main, that is answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. And the first question here is, what are the problems faced by consumers? Answer, the problems faced by consumers are, unfortunately, many times the consumers are neglected. They are exploited and cheated. They suffer heavily. So these are some problems that are faced by the consumers. Now let's move to the second question. What are the causes for consumer exploitation? Answer, the causes for consumer exploitation are the direct transaction between the producer and consumer has almost stopped. The price fixation of the goods and services was done mainly by the middlemen. It led to many hindrances. Consumers had to undergo various difficulties and problems. They incurred many losses. The development of information technology has led to teleshopping. The next question. Mention the 4 important aims of the Consumer Protection Council. Answer. The four important aims of the Consumer Protection Council are: the Act accords importance for safety and quality, avoiding production and sale of dangerous goods, prevention of trade malpractices in the market, supervision of quality, weights, measures, and price. So these are the four important aims of Consumer Protection Council. Let's move to next question. What are the major functions of the Consumer Protection Council? Answer. The major functions of the Consumer Protection Council are: the right to protect against the marketing of goods which are hazardous to life and property of the consumers. Right to choice, wherever possible, access to variety of goods at comparative prices. Right to be heard, the interests of the consumers to be heard with due consideration. Right to consumer education, the consumer are to be educated about their rights. Right to stop exploitation, right to healthy environment, that is good physical environment to enhance the quality of their life, the right to information, and right to seek redressal against unfair trade practices or unscrupulous exploitation. Next question. Mention three stages of consumer courts. Answer. The three stages of consumer courts are: district forum. There shall be a forum at each district. A qualified district judge nominated by the state government presides over the deliberations. The second stage is the state commission. A person who is or has been a high court judge is its president. And the third stage is the national commission. It is headed by a judge of Supreme Court to be appointed by the central government as president. So these are the different stages, three different stages of consumer courts. Now let's move to next question. What are the methods to follow to file a complaint in consumer court? Answer. The methods to follow or file a complaint in consumer court are: there is no prescribed pro forma to file a case. The complaint may be typed on or handwritten. The complaint should include the name of the person, full address, and telephone number. The person or organization against whom the complaint is made should be mentioned clearly with address. The particulars of the goods by which the loss has incurred and the amount of loss should be specified clearly. The bill or receipt should be enclosed. There is no fees or stamp duty for the complaint. No advocate or lawyer is required. The consumer himself can argue. So these are some methods to follow to file a complaint in consumer court. So with this, we come to an end with the question and answer session of this lesson. I hope these answers were informative and helpful for you all. If you found the video informative and helpful, and if you liked it, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. Do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.